We've been working with PowerPlus for many years for all of our off-grid batteries and off-grid solutions, and the reliability that they've shown has been incredible. So we're consistently upgrading existing clients who might have 15, 20-year-old systems with new PowerPlus batteries. The confidence I have in the PowerPlus team meant that I was willing to have a go and look at this as a new product for our range. The Whispr 7 is a perfect inverter for a situation where you have a house that's consuming somewhere between 12 and 18 kilowatt hours a day. You'll recharge the batteries most days and it'll give you enough power to run all your loads overnight and then give you a little bit of backup power should the power fail first thing in the morning. So we're really excited to bring this one into the fleet of options that we give our customers. With the implementation of the federal government battery subsidy, this makes products like the PowerPlus Whispr really affordable for customers. Discounts of up to 30% on the cost of a battery system make it pay for itself now. You're basically buying a product which gives you almost complete energy independence in some cases, which is so exciting.